Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to turn on airplane mode in Windows 10. Airplane mode allows you to quickly disable all wireless communications on your device, which can be handy during flights or in situations where you need to conserve battery life. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to enable airplane mode in Windows 10. Let's get started. Step 1. First, press the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu, your gateway to various Windows features. Step 2. Next, go to Settings. You can find the Settings option by clicking or tapping on the cogwheel icon in the Start menu. This will launch the Windows Settings app. Step 3. Within the Settings app, click or tap on the Network and Internet icon. This section allows you to manage your network and internet settings. Step 4. Now click or tap on Airplane Mode on the left side of the window. This will bring up the Airplane Mode settings. Step 5. To enable Airplane Mode, simply toggle the switch to the On position. This will disable all wireless communications, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular connections. By turning on Airplane Mode in Windows 10, you can ensure that your device is compliant with airline regulations and conserve battery life during flights or in other situations where wireless communications are not required. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the convenience of airplane mode in Windows 10.